Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine. I know what you're gonna say.
Where have you been, girl?
How come we haven't seen another video from you?
Guys, I know, like, I'm only human. I've been busy, I've been in quarantine, but working my ass off, so it's been rough. It's been really rough, but you know what? I'm pulling myself together and I'm coming through with another video, okay? So bear with me. Yeah, just bear with me, please. If you are new to my channel, guys, I would like to welcome you into my tribe. And if you're not subscribed to my Instagram, please go subscribe, because I've been actually posting more on Instagram than on YouTube. So if you want some extras, mini tutorials, go ahead and follow me at Educated Natural. And it's gonna be fun. So today I wanted to come to you with this tutorial, not this tutorial, but with this video, because I feel like in times like these, being in quarantine and not being able to go to the hairdresser to get your hair done, it's really hard. I guess it's a little bit less hard for me since I know how to do my own hair, but for some people, I guess the struggle is so real. So I wanted to come to you guys with this video, because I feel like if you're trying to do your hair by yourself, you might need some tips, you might want some tips, so I'm here to give them to you. So today is all about hair coloring. I've colored my hair a few weeks back, so I wanted to give you guys a few tips on how to prep your hair before you put in that color into your hair without the risk of seeing your hair falling down. Whenever you're getting ready to put in some type of chemical into your hair, you need to prep a few days before. The first thing that you need to do is do a hot oil treatment into your hair, so that you can put as much oil and moisture into your hair before you go and apply that chemical that will strip away a lot of these natural oils. So do a hot oil treatment into your hair like 3 days before. Okay. Second tip is to clarify your hair. Once you're done with the hot oil treatment, you are going to clarify your hair. So basically what that means is that you are going to wash your hair using a product that will take out all the buildup from your hair. But you need to, I say you need, if you want to go the natural route, what I suggest you to do is to use some ACV, which is apple cider vinegar, to clarify your hair. So basically you're gonna take 1 part ACV and 2 parts water, and you're gonna mix it together and you're gonna rinse your hair with it. So it's basically gonna strip away all the buildup, all these products that you've put into your hair since the last time that you clarified your hair, and it's gonna prepare your hair. Well, basically your color is going to penetrate even better into your hair. So that's what you want. Number 3, do not oversaturate your hair with products after you're done washing it, because like, what's the point of clarifying your hair if you're gonna put all these products in, like you're trying to do something but then you're canceling out the effects with something else? So you do not want that. So basically use a light leave-in for your hair, and then seal it with a nice oil, whichever oil that you prefer, so that it could keep and seal in the moisture inside your hair. Number 4, do a protective hairstyle. That's important. You don't want to over manipulate your hair for no reason. You don't want to like do an updo and then redo something else the next day. Like, that's doing too much. You're doing too much, girl. Too damn much. Sorry. Too darn much, okay? You're doing too much. So just like put your hair into space buns, into a low ponytail, tuck in your ends, like do something really simple that you're gonna be able to keep up for the next 2 days until you're ready to put in that color into your hair. And the last tip that I have for you guys is to choose your hair coloring wisely. So make sure that there is no ammonia, no peroxide, because these things are really not good for your hair. So you don't want to dry out your hair too much. You really want to go with something that is more more natural, I guess, less chemically, whatever. You don't want to put too many chemicals into your hair. So yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Those are my 5 tips for hair coloring. And then after that, once the color is in your hair, you really want to take care of your hair. So what I do basically is every time I wash my hair, I do a deep conditioning treatment to go with it every time I wash my hair. So guys, having hair color in your hair is really high maintenance. So you gotta make sure that your hair is taken care of all the time following that, okay? So make sure that you protect your hair at night, that you use some oil to seal in the moisture, do your treatments, make sure that you hydrate your hair daily if possible, and protective styling is key. That's it for you guys. That's all I wanted to say. Also, with whatever is going on outside right now, guys, please stay home, be safe. Let me know if you want to see something else from me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.